Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video, let me show you how to make page private on X. So first of all, open X on your device, and then you want to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. Now let's scroll down until you reach Settings and Privacy. As you can see, your settings are divided into different sections, and you have to tap on Privacy and Safety section, and then from here go to Audience and Tagging. And finally, at the top of the screen, you should see this option that says Protect Your Posts. So this is the feature that is responsible for making your account private, and let's turn this on in order to make page private on X. So from this moment, only your followers are able to see your posts on your profile, and any new people who want to follow you on X, they must send you follower requests that you must manually approve or decline. So there is dedicated page on X where you can do that. You have to tap your profile picture in the top left, and again in this menu you have to find follower requests page where you can manage your followers. You can either accept them or decline them by using those two buttons. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.